Alright guys, welcome back for part 2, and we left off on these last 2 dies. Look at this beautiful chandelier Christmas. Look at this little bathtub. Oh my god. That is so cute. Carolyn, Mama just hooked me up. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this bow even. I have this glitter paper. I sure do. It's a 12 by 12, and I could not cut it with, or punch it with my hand punches, and I cannot cut it with my Cricut. You know, I just don't want to mess up my one and only blade. But that is so cute. Look at these little roses. I'll make a shaker with that. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping that out. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Cuddle bug. Oh wow. Look at those frames. Oh my goodness. Embossing and cutting. Oh my goodness. There's more, guys. There's more. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Look at that paper. There's a gold, like, foiling. Oh, it's two-sided. Oh wow. I'm just gonna open this bad boy up real quick. Oh, look at that topper. So pretty and clean. These envelopes. That's a, okay, I think these are dies, guys. Die cuts. And then she got the pretty little pearl. There's like gold. I don't know. You guys can see that gold right there? Yep, there you go. Right there. So pretty. So pretty. I love that. My goodness, girl, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Like I'm not already, right? Gonna do more giveaway and share Miss Carolyn's love. Look at this Bo Bunny stamp, guys. Good morning, have a nice day, love you, hooray, let's go, good vibes only, yes ma'am. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this is a set. Oh wow. This is the layered flowers, and then you stamp it first, and then you're supposed to put the die cuts on that stamp, I guess, that image, and then run it through. I think, but I could be wrong. You know, I've never worked with those, so y'all just, you know, guide me when I go through it. Oh, look at the little rolled flower. Oh, okay, that's normal. That goes. Good thing I have the hot glue gun running all the time. That's so pretty. Oh, ooh, this one's different. Look at the center on there. That's part of the paper. It's a pretty little center. That's cute. And these silver leaves. Oh my gosh, I need some gold foiled paper in my life. And then she put the pearls right here. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. These are swans. These are swans. I need to take it out so we can see it. Are we already at 4 minutes? Oh my god, Eileen, you're so slow. All die cuts, I bet. I bet. Yep. Probably not the flowers, but she's got some like diamond dust, I guess. I'm guessing, because I don't even have that either, but I see everybody using it on their projects, like Miss Diane, who is Crafting with Fury. You guys need to check her out too. I think she's doing some marvelous projects right now. Oops, I just popped him off of there, didn't I? Oopsies. Oh, well, just put you right back where you came from. How about that? I'm thinking this is a die. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know. I'm too slow for this. There might even be a part 3. We'll see. We'll see, because there's so much. There's so much to share. Oh my God, she sent me a whole bunch of bling. Oh my gosh. There's that paper clip. Or not paper clip, clothespin. Look at that. It has a butterfly blingy on there. And she's got a little spray of pearls and then her pretty flower and lace. That is just adorable. Oops, that's glue. Oh my gosh. And then her butterflies. Did she make it or no? No. Did she make it? Could fool me. I'm gonna say she made it. Oh, she sent me all the jemmies and the pearls. Peel off sticker. Elizabeth Craft Designs. Interesting. Oh, that's what you do with it. So you peel it off, put it on your card, and then you place it down and you color it like stained glass. That's cute. In star form. What do you do with this guy? Pretty much the same thing. That is gorgeous. Wow. Gorgeous. I can see that for like Halloween and stuff. Right? How about you guys? Oh my God. Oh my God, there's still dies in here. You guys. That's great. This lady just gave me all kinds of dies. Oh my God. That is a bow. That is a bow. Wow. There's a little bag topper. Oh, that's for the sticky part. That's gorgeous. Wow. I'm just putting it to the side away from the stamps and dies. But there's another one of those stamp and die sets. Ooh, I love these leaves. It's a hibiscus. That's a hibiscus. Yay! Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, there's the topper. This is a bag topper. Look at that. And you got layering pieces. Look at her topper. Oh my gosh. This paper, boy. I love that paper. Look at that. I'm telling you, she does some great work. Bag topper die. Oh my gosh. You need to check her out, guys. Please. Her work is fabulous. Look at these. Oh my God. Okay, I have this one. Yes. And I have no, I don't have this one. And I think I gifted this one too. Oh my gosh. There's her clothespin again. These are gorgeous, you guys. I'm telling you. Look at that. Fabulous. Yes, we emptied a bag. Yes. But I will take this clothespin beautifulness right here. I want to put it somewhere else so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle. All right, let me see. I wish I had another way to display my my dangles that I get from you ladies. Okay, I'm gonna put these stickers over here. And let's look at this gorgeousness. This is her creation, you guys. I'm just telling you. This is what she is really good at. Okay, first off, let's do this because I just see this coming down. All right, hurry up, Eileen. It's at 9 minutes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall. I'm putting it right back in the bag. It's a little bit easier to handle. It's a nice sturdy bag too. That is a lot of goodies. Oh my gosh, that's not even everything that came out of that bag. Okay, you see this masterpiece right here? This is all her handmade paper bag. Paper bag. You guys, it's so pretty. Okay, to get into it, I have to untie this, but let's look at this first. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, really? This is beautiful. Look at that. This is beautiful, guys. And she has a little bookmark here. So pretty. So pretty. And thoughtful. My gosh. Look at this. I'm just taking off the crinkle papers. Alright, we're going to have to make this a part 3, guys, because once I start going into it, it might never end. So I'm just going to stop here, and I'll see you guys on part 3 of our beautiful Happy Mail from Carolyn at Tea Time and Dolls. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye!